Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a vibieme Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was overheating and it was making a popping noise every time was left for after 5 minutes of heating, and that was basically because the pressure stab was malfunctioning. This takes care of the pressure, and if this malfunctions, you're gonna see this gauge going way up and starting to go over here. When it gets to up to 2, then the popping noise will complete. You will hear the popping noise because this safety valve that is over here inside that you can see over there will just pretty much pop out all the air. It's just for safety precautions so the boiler doesn't blow up. So we replace that. We also give the machine a tune-up, and as you can see, the gasket totally need to be replaced. And the shower screen was surprisingly completely clogged. It was just, yeah, you can barely see any light coming out through here, and it was just really in bad condition. The porto filter itself was really bad as well. When we removed the filter basket, the other one that has the holes over here, it was just really bad. It was just all coffee in there, and it took a lot to just give it a good clean and to make sure it was clean. Yeah, we also deep clean pretty much the group here, and the same thing. It was just a lot of old coffee stuck in there, and it was just really bad. Definitely needed a tune up this machine. We also descaled the machine, and as you can see, give it an overall cleaning. And yeah, so let's test it out, starting with one shower espresso. Oh, also another thing, we found that the water pump needed to be replaced. When we tried to pull the shot after the tune-up, it was barely doing any crema, and it was barely doing it. Any water was barely flowing through there, and it definitely need to be replaced. As you can see, the grind that I selected was really coarse and needed to be more fine. Yeah, it totally needed to be more fine. But water flow coming out through here is pretty good. I'm gonna make a mess of water. We don't have the tray, so. And now for the steamer is really great for this machine. As you can see, really powerful. And so the hot water. And we've been testing this machine the whole day to make sure it doesn't overheat again or there's any other issues with it. So there you have it. The vibieme working perfectly fine. Thank you for the coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more like this.